Bill Goudy checking in. I'm going to cook up some meatballs today. I'll take a quick moment to let you look at the goodness. Shep sent this to me a while back. I've been using the heck out of it. And this is some homemade pork sausage. It's not seasoned at all. It's just fresh pork. And I use that shepherd's seasoning on it. And I'm telling you, it is so good. Use it liberally. Mix it up. I'm making meatballs today. Yeah, it's been crappy weather outside, and I'm going to do it in the crock pot. Yeah, you have to check it out. Here we go. That's 1 pound of hamburger and 1 pound of ground pork. Seasoned with the ground pork is seasoned. The hamburger is not seasoned. The ground pork is seasoned with that shepherd seasoning. I make the meatballs ahead of time. We're going to brown them up here in a little bit, but I'm going to set them in the refrigerator, set them aside, and get the rest of my veggies chopped. Here are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. Sweet peppers, mushrooms, garlic, onion, marinara sauce, and pineapple. I like to brown up the meatballs, and then it holds them together this way. After I don't cook them all the way through in here. All I do is brown them up. Those are about the size of golf balls. And they're holding together pretty good. That's just the way I like it. This is my peppers, garlic, and mushrooms, and onion that I put in the food processor. I chopped it finely chopped. And then this is the pineapple chunks. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Oh, that smells so good. Looking good. Leave it on high. I don't know, 3-4 hours. It'll be good. I'll turn it down to low after about 4 hours. And anytime after that, I can eat it. Got to have an internal temperature of 160 degrees on those meatballs. 165, I think, on the pork and 160 on the beef, but so I'll go 165. It's been 4 hours. I'm going to turn that to low for now. I'm not ready to eat yet. It sure looks good. Some of you that have been watching my channel for a while may remember my good friend Bulldog Bill. He passed away a few years ago. He always liked these meatballs, done up, and he'd put them on a hoagie bun. Oh, they were so good. But being a carb guy, I try to avoid the buns these days. So I'm using, almost rice. Look at the goodness. Yeah, it's almost rice. Rice cauliflower. Bulldog Bill always liked to eat this on a bun. He'd get a hoagie bun. That rice cauliflower is good though. You could use regular rice. You could use spaghetti. Or an egg noodle. That is so good. And the sweetness of the pineapple. The different texture of the sausage. Sausage has a different flavor than the ground beef. Oh, it's really good. One of my favorites. And easy to do when the weather's like this.